In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use agentic workflows for your repos. We'll start right on GitHub. Open your browser and head to github.com. Once you're in, look for the agent area in the GitHub interface and click it. This takes you into GitHub's agent experience, where Copilot can help you scaffold and refine a workflow for your repository. Next, open a fresh conversation by selecting New Chat. You'll see a prompt field highlighted on the page. Type your goal clearly in that highlighted box. Describe what you want the agentic workflow to accomplish for your repo. Keep it concise but specific, like asking for an automated review checklist on pull requests, or a build and test routine. Clarity here helps the agent generate exactly what you need and reduces back and forth. After you've entered your request, click the highlighted control to submit it. The agent will reply with a helpful message explaining it's ready to create a basic agent workflow and that it needs a bit more detail. Click that response to expand it fully so you can follow its guidance. You'll then see a set of questions from the agent. Click the one asking where the workflow should be created and provide the repository and the location you want, such as the standard .github/workflows directory if you're using GitHub Actions. If you're working in a multi-project repository, mention the relevant subfolder so the agent places files correctly. Click the question about the type of workflow and specify whether you want a GitHub Actions workflow or a custom agent pattern in code. Choosing the right type ensures the agent uses the correct format and conventions for your stack. Click the prompt asking what the agent should do and describe the tasks in plain language. Focus on the outcome you expect and any guardrails, such as required checks or labels, so the agent can encode them precisely. Click the question on triggers and state when it should run. For example, on pull requests, on pushes to a specific branch, on a schedule, or manually. Use only the events you truly need to avoid noisy or unintended runs. Click the question about tools or languages and note your ecosystem details, like the language version, build commands, test runner, or linters. This helps the agent wire up jobs and steps that actually work in your environment. When you're done, click the highlighted confirmations the interface presents to proceed. If a highlighted link or preview opens, review it and return to Finalize. With those inputs complete, your agentic work